All right, so let's solve for x here. Okay, now we are given log x to base 4 equals log a to base 2. All right, now let's focus on the right hand side, because when we are given log n to base n, the answer is 1. So log of a number to the same base as a number is 1. So we can adjust this one and make it log of a number to the same base as the number. So let's change the 8 here as 2 to the power 3. So we have this one, log s base 4. Okay, in case we're given log a to the power t to base 10. So this t here is a power rule, is the same as t log a to base 10. So this 3 come here, 3 log 2 to base 2. And have log s to base 4. Okay, so this one will go, I believe it's log s to base 4 equals to 3. So let's use the definition of logarithm to solve this. So when we are given log a to base x equals to p, the base will raise this 1. So we have a equals to x to the power p. So we have x same as 4 to the power 3 as the answer. All right.